break-even point of an economy, the break-even point of an economy understanding the question is the difficult task actually. The break-even point of an economy occurs at the income level of 500 crores. Occurs at an income level of 500 crores. Make it little fast. If MPS, I'm very sorry, MPC, if MPC is 0.6, MPC is 0.6, MPC is 0.6, determine autonomous consumption. Autonomous consumption, saving function, autonomous consumption, saving function. So the first one is autonomous consumption, second is saving function, third is level of income. Level of income. When saving is 600 crores. Level of income when saving is 600 crores. Okay, start doing it. When it is over, tell me, okay? Meanwhile, let me take that attendance. So what is given? BEP, the break-even point for an economy occurs at the income level of 500 crores. Break-even point is at 500 crores and MPC is equal to 0.6. You have to write, find out the autonomous consumption, saving function, level of income when saving is 600. Okay, how will you do it? Who got the answer? Tell me. That means here, what is valid?
Ma'am.
Got it, sir?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
MR equals to 2000 crore.
Okay. And saving, once you get the Y, that is level of income and MPC or MPS, it is very difficult, it's not at all difficult to write the saving function and consumption function. Here MPC given 0.6. So consumption function MPC given 0.6, so MPS will be 0.4. So writing the saving function, one of the question is write the saving function. Y you know and MPS you know, so what will be the saving function? Sandhya, read the saving function. Sandhya, read the saving function.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, minus 200 plus 0.5 into 500.
0.6 is MPC beta. So what will be MPS?
Ma'am, 0.4.
0.4. 0.4 is minus
MPC
200.
MPS.
200 you got from the autonomous consumption, isn't it? So how will you, okay, I will present my screen. Those who I will do it on the board. So those who are not able to do it will also understand. So who all got the autonomous consumption? Name? Say yes, ma'am. Who? Sandhya
Yes,
got
ma'am.
it. Harshi
Yes,
got
ma'am.
it. Then
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Anshu.
Priyanshu got it. Okay. Parth Kabra, you got it? Parth? Got it, beta? Parth? चला गया पार्थ. आंसर मिला बेटा? आंसर मिला क्या? See, so I will do it here on the board. Okay, here what is given? Given is Y, the level of income given is, yeah, how much is the level of income? 500 CR. All of you, those who didn't get the answer, please listen carefully. Y is equal to 500 CR. It is given that in a BEP economy, the income level, that is Y, is equal to 500 CR. Then what is given? MPC given. MPC is equal to 0.6.
Hello, sir.
So MPC is equal to 0.6 means the same time you write MPS is equal to, who is talking? MPS is equal to 0.4.
7 बजे तक है.
MPS is equal to 0.4. So, why it is said in the question, we are working in a BEP economy. This is given with a purpose always. In BEP economy, what is the speciality of BEP economy? In the BEP economy, income is equal to consumption. All the income you get, it is consumed. That is why the saving is zero. So this you should understand. Whenever in the question it is given, you are working in a BEP economy. And the level of income is given as Y, that is 500 crores. That means all the 500 income you have, it is being consumed. Okay, so here consumption function you write, you know, consumption is equal to, yeah, autonomous consumption C bar plus B into Y. Consumption function bhul gaye sab? What is the consumption function, Anurag?
Autonomous consumption plus MPC into income.
Yeah, autonomous consumption plus B into Y. So you are asked in this question, the first question is you have to find out the autonomous consumption. So definitely you have to substitute this in the consumption function. So we wrote it here, C is equal to C bar plus B into Y. And here you know C is equal to Y because all the income you earn is being consumed. So what is C here? 500. Autonomous consumption, you don't know. The same question, the same kind of question we did previously also. C bar plus, what is B? B is 0.6 into Y. What is Y? Y again 500. So if you solve this, what you will get? This is 300. 0.6 into 500 is 300. This is 500. So 500 minus 300 is equal to 200. That means your autonomous consumption is equal to 200. Autonomous consumption is equal to 200. I hope it is clear to you now. So several questions we did in the same of the same method. Autonomous consumption is equal to 200. So now you got the autonomous consumption. Now the second question is, what is our saving function? And saving function, you know, S is equal to minus C bar into, yeah, somebody help me to complete the equation. Minus C bar into C bar plus, help me, 1 minus B into Y. What is 1 minus B? That is MPS. So saving is equal to minus 200 plus 1 minus B is 0.4. 0.4 Y. This is the saving function. The second question is the saving function. Now the third question is level of income when the saving is 600. How will you find out the level of income when the saving is what? Saving is 600. How will you find it out? In the saving function, you substitute the level of income 600. Level of income when saving is 600. So here you substitute in the saving function, put saving as 600, then find out Y. So level of income when saving is 600, you know the saving function, S is equal to minus 200 plus 0.4Y. So what is the saving given here? 600. At which level of income you will have this? Yes. So 600 is equal to minus 200 plus 0.4Y. So if you solve this, you will get the answer. So 0.4Y is equal to 0.4Y is equal to 600 plus 200, that is 800. 0.4Y is equal to 600 plus 200, that is 800. Therefore, Y is equal to 800 upon 0.4. So, what is the saving at this particular level of income? What is the level of income at this particular saving? What is the answer you got?
2000.
2000. If anybody has need any more clarification, please say yes, ma'am. I need a clarification. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Who wants to tell?
Ma'am, Hershey.
Yeah. Okay. In this
Ma'am,
question, okay, I will repeat. Yeah. What is your doubt?
Ma'am, in this question, we first it is given that it's a break-even point situation where savings will be 0. But then in the one of the part, it's given that savings are 600. Then how we can relate the quantities which we are getting in different parts?
Better some construction work is going on. I couldn't hear you completely. Can you repeat the question?
Ma'am, first of all, we were given in the question that we are at the break-even point where savings will be 0.
Yeah,
But
we are in the break-even point. And here, another situation is given. If you put the saving function according to this. If your income level, at what income level you are functioning in a BAP economy for sure, that is not the question. But in such a case when the saving is 600, at another point of time in the economy, the saving is 600 CR. At what level of income? So now the level of income is 500. At what level of income the saving will be 600? That's the question.
so, ma'am, then MPS will remain same while doing the question for savings equals to 600.
Exactly. What is MPS? The marginal, that we assume that remains the same because that is the tendency of the saving. So every additional income, there is a chance that 0.4 is being off, that 0.4% is saved. Okay, so this will remain the same. So simplicity, we assume that there is no change. If there is a meager change will be there, but for our problem or for this, we assume that it remains the same. And there is no other option also because you are given only MPC 0.6 here. Okay, so at another point of time, even though in this case BEP, that is S is equal to 0, that is saving is equal to 0, the question is in future, if there is 600 CR saving, what will be the level of income at that particular time? This is the tendency to save, MPS. So according to the income, when the income increases, People will save more. All these things are here. But here we assume that the MPS will remain the same. Was that your doubt? Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, one more thing.
Huh.
Ma'am, in first part, we are asked to find autonomous consumption.
Sorry?
In first part, we are supposed to find the autonomous consumption.
Yes.
Ma'am, after finding that, two more things are asked. So while doing those two things, we'll be using this same autonomous consumption in every question. Once we find
Autonomous,
the
better, what is autonomous consumption? When income is zero, what do you consume? So that remained the same. Your income was zero, then your consumption was 200. So now your income has only increased. Autonomous consumption is the same. When your income is zero, this is your minimum consumption. There is no change in that.
okay, ma'am.
So this is a question, BEP economy. Whenever you get the BEP economy, you have to write these two, either Y is equal to C or S is equal to 0. And either MPC or MPS will be given. That is for in every case. We assume that MPC remain the same. So that is why many assumptions we have in this particular, not in this particular chapter itself. This will remain the same at every level of income. But as the income increases, the saving also increases, but after a level, it will not increase much faster. The consumption increases. As the income increases, consumption increases, but after a level, the consumption will not increases at that faster pace. All these things we have seen. But here, MPS will remain the same. That's your assumption. So in a particular question, if it is given the MPS is changing at this particular level, you can apply that. But in this particular question, MPS given as 0.4, so that will remain the same. What is MPS? What is the tendency? How much from the additional income you will save? That is MPS. So here it is 0.4. Whatever the additional income, the income differs, but this 1 minus B will not differ. No, B will also not differ. The income will increase, B will remain the same. And here also the income will remain the same. Income will change and 1 minus B will remain the same. So this is the concept and this is the assumption. Okay? Okay, Harshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write the next question then. Next question. The consumption function of an economy, is given as C is equal to 40 plus 0.7 by 40 plus 0.7 by. Calculate the saving at the income level of 2,200 CR. So what do you have to calculate? You have to calculate the saving. You have to calculate the saving at the income level of, only 1 minute for answering, at the income level of 2,200 CR. So consumption function given and what is asked? Saving asked. So from the consumption function, derive the saving function. Quick. Derive the saving function. So this is the autonomous consumption. This is B. So 1 minus B is, what is 1 minus B, Parth? Parth, in this case, what is 1 minus B? Where is Parth? Anurag?
Yes, ma'am.
What the answer?
620.
So here
620.
you put the level of income only. If the consumption function given and saving is asked, the first step should be derive the saving function from the consumption function like this. Minus 40 plus 0.3y. Then substitute in this saving function the level of income. So you will get the answer. What is the answer?
620.
620.
620.
This is the answer. So, move to the next question. Moving to the next question. Anurag, answer मिल गया?
Yes, ma'am. मैम ये आपने एग्जाम में भी दिया था क्वेश्चन.
So let me see who all are in the call. 1 minute. Shreshka, did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Parth, did you get the answer? 620 मिला क्या? बीच में कहाँ चला गया था? Parth, unmute yourself. कहाँ घूम? घर में घूम पड़ रहा है. आंसर मिल गया 620. तुम्हारा आवाज नहीं सुनाई दे रहा. संध्या आंसर मिला?
यस मैम मिल गया.
Part didn't get the answer.
Manvi, you got the answer?
यस मैम
मैम
620
आंसर नहीं
करो.
आया.
Okay. So the next question, write the next question. Make it little fast. The saving curve, all these questions are revision. We have already done such kind of question. The saving curve makes an intercept at 40 CR. The saving curve make an intercept. Part question लिखो, घूमो नहीं. Write the question. The saving curve make an intercept of rupees 40 CR on the negative axis.
मैम मैं बाहर हूँ तो लिख नहीं सकता मैम.
बाहर हो तो
सारे मैम.
if consumer spent 60% of the additional income, if consumer spent 60% of additional income, 60% of additional income, determine saving function, consumption function, and BEP level of income. So what are the question? You have to write the saving function, then consumption function, and break even level of income. Okay, जल्दी करो. So what do you mean by the term? Saving curve make an intercept at 40 CR. C bar, that is autonomous consumption, is equal to, those who are doing it, don't look at the board. Afterwards, when you finish, complete the question, then only you look at the board. C bar is equal to 40. Yes.
Ma'am, the break-even point is at 100 crore.
Yeah, but don't. Okay, I will ask you. I know you have done it. It's very easy question. C bar is 40 CR. Consumer spend 60% of additional income. What do you mean by that? Consumer spend, I'm asking to part. Consumer spend 60% of their additional income. Consumer अपना income का 60% spend करता है. So what is given? MPC given या MPS given? What is given? What is given? MPS या MPC? What is given?
MPC ma'am.
Yeah, very good. MPC, that is consumer spend 60% of their additional income. So don't write it in percentage because in the equation we have to make it in the decimal form. 60% means 0.6. So spending, so don't get confused. Consumer spend means MPC is equal to 0.6. So now very well you can write the consumption function. You are asked the consumption function. So C is equal to 40 plus 0.6y, that is the consumption function. Got it, Shrestha? Manvi?
40 plus
Yes, ma'am.
0.7.
Okay. Once you get a consumption function, it is very easy to write the saving function. The saving function is minus 40 plus क्या पॉइंट्स इसकी बाकी कितना है 1 में से 0.4y. अगर 0.6 स्पेंड करता है तो 0.4 सेव करेगा. सो सेविंग इज इक्वल टू minus 40 plus 0.4y. So saving function मिल गया. Now what is being asked? Consumption function, saving function, break even level of income. What do you mean by break even level of income? Harshi, what is break even level of income?
Where consumption equals to income.
Consumption is equal to income. So what is being asked? Break even level of income. How will you find out?
By putting savings equals to 0.
Very good. Saving is equal to 0. So saving is equal to 0, that is consumption. So you have to substitute this. You know it's a break-even economy. So saving is equal to 0. So minus 40 plus 0.4y. So y is equal to 40 by point. Saving is equal to, what is the answer?
100 crore, ma'am.
Saving is
Sorry?
saving is 0.
Ma'am, 100 crore. Ma'am, 100 crore.
100. Okay, 100 CR. 100 CR. So put 0.4y here. Take 40 here. Okay, so 0.4y is equal to 40. So y is equal to 0.40 upon 0.4. So this is the question. And do the next one. Do the next question. The saving function is minus 120 plus 0.4. The saving function is minus 120 plus 0.5y. 0.5y. Draw a diagram. Draw a diagram. This is your homework. Draw a diagram showing saving corresponding to income level, saving corresponding to your income level, 0, 200, 400, 600 and 800. Good question. See, saving given, saving function is given. You have to draw what? You have to draw saving corresponding to the income levels 0, 200, 400, 600 and 800. इसको कैसे करेंगे? ये 0 लिखो, 200 लिखो, then 400 लिखो, 600 and 800, and apply this in the saving function at each case. Apply this in the saving function. Here you will get what is your saving at each income, each level. What is the saving you will get here? And here it will be negative for sure because your income is 0. And here therefore your savings will be what? Negative. So you know the saving curve goes like this. Here from the negative it will start and it will go like this. So this is to be drawn in this form. Here y and this is the x-axis. Okay, you have to write the income and saving. Saving will start from here because we start from the negative side because here start with the income is 0. So you are what you have to do is with all these income, with every case substitute this y with each income. Write this equation here. Substitute this y with each income and find out the saving in each case. Find out the saving. And at the 0 level, this, and at the 400 level, so make point out of this and make a curve. So that's your homework. Okay, so that's all for today. I will give you 2 more homework. I will send it to you in the group. Karthik,
Yes, ma'am.
did you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
तो जो भी प्रॉब्लम किया लिखा सब लोगों ने?
Yes, ma'am.
नियति?
Yes, ma'am.
पलक को भी, पलक कर लिया बेटा? पलक?